Welcome to Elevate Innovations. Today we will show you how to disassemble a pop-up bar. Let's begin by taking the travel bags out of storage. Next, remove the protective shield from the outer railing. Remember to place your canopy down gently. Let's remove the walls and shelving one by one and place them in an organized fashion. The bar cart folds easily. Remember to keep everything laid out in an organized fashion. When placing the shelving and walls in their assigned travel bag, we found it easier to inch it one side after the other, as shown here. And voila! Now the canopy. Unfasten the wing nuts to remove the canopy. Remember to keep all your ring nuts and screws together. And place the protective shield and canopy in their assigned travel bag. Now we'll remove the center railing. Unfasten the 4-finger screws, securing it. Once the center railing has been removed, lay the bar top on its side. This allows you to remove the rest of the railing fairly easily. Unfasten the 4-finger screws, securing the rails to the bar base. Remember to lay your parts out in an organized fashion as you continue to disassemble. Place the bar base and the railing on top of the bar cart. We will use the same method we used with the walls and shelving and inch the bar cart and its parts into its assigned travel bag. Clip the buckles and tighten with the straps. Place the shelving travel bag on top of the cart travel bag and secure them together with the Velcro. And there you have it. Your cart is ready to go. And we're off. Remember to lift with your knees when placing the cart in the car. This has been an Elevate Innovations production. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.